Jupiter entering Cancer. What does it mean for you? A major astrological event is happening. Jupiter is entering Cancer. And in astrology, this is considered a very special transit. Why? Because Jupiter is exalted in Cancer. Exaltation means a planet expresses its highest wisdom, blessings, and positive qualities. So when Jupiter enters Cancer, emotions become wiser, intuition becomes stronger, family values gain importance, spiritual growth accelerates. Cancer is ruled by the moon. The moon represents emotions, mind, nurturing, home, inner security, and Jupiter represents wisdom, expansion, knowledge, faith, prosperity. When these two energies combine, wisdom begins to guide emotions. Instead of reacting emotionally, people may start understanding life more deeply. This transit can bring opportunities in home and property matters, family relationships, education and learning, spiritual practices, long-term prosperity. Many people will feel a stronger desire to create emotional security rather than simply chase success. But remember, Jupiter expands whatever it touches. So if there is fear, fear may appear larger. If there is emotional healing needed, those emotions may surface. This is not a problem. It is an invitation to grow. Bachflower therapy connection. As Jupiter enters Cancer, many hidden emotions may come to the surface. This is where Bachflower remedies can help. Walnut helps during major life transitions and new beginnings. Gentian supports faith when challenges appear. Mustard helps release unexplained emotional heaviness. White chestnut calms repetitive thoughts and mental overactivity. These remedies help you move through emotional expansion with greater balance. Spiritual message of this transit. Jupiter in Cancer teaches, real wealth is not only money. Real wealth is emotional peace. Real success is inner fulfillment. Real growth begins when the heart and wisdom work together. Jupiter entering Cancer is not just a transit. It is an opportunity to heal emotionally, grow spiritually, and create a stronger foundation for the future. For consultation, chart reading, nadi nakshatra astrology, and Bachflower therapy, contact Dr. Nikunj Walia, +91 9 8714 68883. Message now to understand how this Jupiter transit will affect your personal chart.